Alright, here's a quick test here of my GE Home Century 8202-001 120 volt model. Sounds a lot different than most 120 volt alarms I've encountered. Still pretty loud. And here's my GE Home Century SMK6/M1. And Smoke Guard 907A2. Kinda like that one. And Montgomery Ward 83-7-1666-00. Just as bad as Sears with the long model numbers. And Sears early 1 439.57301, which apparently does not like me or has a dead battery, one of the two, or dying battery. Wouldn't surprise me, but it is a bit finicky about the way I hit the when I hit the test button. And BRK 769 ACI. And Honeywell TC100A.